Hello everyone, it's Brett here, Lionheart 84. Thought I'd do a brief video as I'm visiting Crossrail Place in the Docklands. First time I've been here this year. Nice healthy looking loquat or loquat here. No sign of any flowers unfortunately. This is a kind of a partially outdoors, semi-indoors garden. Let's see what's here of interest. A few things have been in flower or are still in flower. As I said, no flowers on the loquats or loquats. It's partially open to the this section in the centre is open to the elements. On the sides it's protected with glass, that makes it a little bit more sheltered. Ideal for ferns in here, and as you can probably hear, the birds like it as well. Plenty of tree ferns. Strawberry tree here. Another strawberry tree. This one's actually got fruits on it. Some way from being ripe. Pittosporums, Fatsias, Magnolia grandiflora, the evergreen one. Not sure what this is. Some kind of rhododendron, I think. Bananas galore. If you're watching this, Peter, it doesn't look as if they die back to the ground here. So no doubt they get this is central London, so it's very mild here anyway. But also they're semi-shelter, which makes a big difference. Looks like a mimosa tree. There's loads of Musa Baju here. Some very tall ones, definitely flowering size. Gunneras, viburnum of some sort, I think. More loquats. No sign of any flowers or embryo fruits on any of the loquats here. Yuccas, more bananas. Giant phormiums. Lots more gunnera there. I think that one's probably a verbena, or is it a veronica? I'm pretty sure it begins with V. Only a few yards or metres from where the marathon's running, but it's quite peaceful and quiet here. You can hear the cheers in the distance. What's this? A polygonum, I think. Pretty flowers. Fabulous little green area. This is for people who work in this area. Plenty of bamboo here. This one with the golden canes. And here's a black stemmed bamboo, dark green. Don't know what the variety is, but huge size. Yeah, I enjoy walking around here. It only takes 10 minutes to walk round, or less. Another loquat, again. Very healthy, but no signs of even a single flower. I guess that's the disadvantage of not having named varieties. A shaded area here. It's not somewhere where they name any of the plants. You either know what they are or you don't. There's a camellia tucked away here. I reckon if someone's brave enough to plant one here, then an avocado would do well. Unfortunately, it's just not the sort of thing that they think of planting in these sort of semi-covered gardens. Shame, really. Would be absolutely perfect. Oh dear. There's one tree fern that hasn't made it unless it shoots out again. Probably lack of irrigation. Bottle brush, callistemon. Some palms here as well. More Fatsias, more tree ferns. Fabulous. Well, hope you enjoyed that very brief tour. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Welcome to share it. One more unusual plant here. No idea what that is. Yeah, please give me a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to my channel, and if you're in Canary Wharf at any time, come and have a look. See you all soon. Brett out for now.